We've been enjoying ourselves, and we hope you have too. Up next on stage, sharing his style of slacky guitar, is Cyril Pahinui, one of the sons of late Pops.
And I'd like to do one song. This is for my dad. That should be aloha and thank you, and hang around because we have some great musicians, great guitar players.
We're back at the fire station for more reactions to KFC's new hot and spicy chicken.
It's great. Delicious. Just right.
Attention station 63. 12 pieces of hot and spicy chicken are now just $11.99. Add 5 cornbread muffins for $1.99 more.
We got the chicken, we got the muffins, we're ready to go.
Oh, got a good deal?
What was that?
That's 12 pieces of hot and spicy chicken, just $11.99 at KFC Hawaii now.
We do chicken right.
Just around the corner at Harry and
What's this, ladies? A secret sign?
We're pulling for Loretta. She's going all out to buy a place.
Yeah, 2 jobs, 3 roommates.
And dump the boyfriend.
Gotta do what you gotta do.
And Banco's got more ways to help you do it.
The bank?
The boyfriend.
Wrong number.
Nobody's pulling for you more to help you get the home you want. Bank of Hawaii. Hawaii's bank.
It's one of the nation's largest floral parades, unlike any other in the country. A beautiful representation of Hawaii's diverse culture and people, culminating in the spirit of aloha in this week-long celebration. Aloha, I'm Kimo Kahoano. Join me and Paula Akana as we host the 1994 Aloha Festival's Floral Parade, Saturday at 1, only on Island Television, KITV4.
Handshaking, sign waving, talk, and more talk. But what about the issues? Where do the candidates really stand? And how can we voters get a balanced view of this year's election? I'm Tina Shelton. Join News 4 for complete campaign coverage from Hawaii's most experienced news team. Researching stories with insight, sensitivity, fairness. For an informed choice, watch News 4 at 5, 6, and 10 and experience the difference. Taking the stage next is the elder statesman of Kihoalu, the godfather of slack key, a man who shares his Hawaiian music with people around the world, Raymond Kane.
I